Okay, so I got this working and I'm going to show you how to do this. So the first thing you do is you disconnect these cable brackets on each side of the car. So there's 4. There should be like one here in that corner, one there in that corner, one in the middle, and then one right here. So go underneath the car, disconnect those, or otherwise you're going to have, it's going to be impossible to do this. The other thing I did is I stuck 2, you can't really see, 2 washers right here to bring this up at like a 45-degree angle so it's not flat, and it'll help with the e-brake. Then I didn't really have to bend this rod right here. I did bend this, but I didn't need to. I just left it. And if you keep that at an angle, if you use a longer bolt, you could probably angle it more than even that, but I'm happy with that. And yeah, it works really good. Another thing, just take out the spring. I had to take out the spring to have enough clearance right here. So what happens is the spring binds up and you can't bring this far enough forward, and the e-brake's just too loose like that. So if you remove this, it gives you enough slack in there to do that. So yeah, everything, it's really tight. This is a little crooked because the cables aren't done on the bottom. They're just disconnected. They're not tightened. And if you see that little cluster right there of wires, it's because my console over there, I actually have been running a tuck console. So when you look at the passenger side, there's no wires on the floor because I've had all this tucked for years. You don't have to do this. It's just I hide my amplifier and it's tucked, but I'll get the console in together so you can see how it looks.